Hello everyone, thank you for clicking, and if you're new here, welcome. For those who are coming back again, thank you. Today we have the privilege of making a vanilla sponge cake for one of the biggest comedians in Kenya, and I'm very excited. So smash that subscribe button and the bell button right beside it, and let's begin. My name is Julie and this is the Pastry Kitchen.
Wow! Oh my goodness. Tumulika ya happy birthday na maua. Juu nilikwambia ni birthday ya dem. So flavor?
It's a vanilla cake with the cream ni whipped cream. Iko sawa.
Okay.
And then these are fresh flowers.
Fresh?
Yeah, fresh flowers.
Okay.
Though they're not edible.
Okay.
But this pulp.
Ngoja tusikule maua. Watu wanasema pesa ni maua na tunakulanga pesa, tutazikula. So, and then the happy birthday ni kanini?
This one is just an acrylic.
So it's also not edible.
It's not edible. But this one, the pulps, all the pulps are edible.
Ututu vitu tunaka
tutubuli.
Nice one.
Yeah. Our ingredients today are cooking oil, melted butter, milk, eggs, vanilla essence, vinegar, baking powder, normal sugar, and flour. For this recipe, guys, we're going to start by mixing the dry ingredients first, beginning with the baking powder and flour just to aerate them, and then adding the sugar. Once the dry ingredients are mixed in well, we are going to mix the wet ingredients separately. First, I'm going to add vinegar into the milk just to make it sour. You can use sour milk as a substitute. Then I'm going to mix in the rest. Now that we have our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients ready, we're going to fold them in together to make our batter. Always remember to preheat your oven before mixing the ingredients so that the oven can have the required heat to bake the cake. Guys, our batter is ready and consistent. Now we are going to pour it into our baking tins. Guys, always remember to knock the baking tins to get rid of air bubbles that may be present in the batter. We are going to bake this cake at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. Guys, our cakes are ready and now we are going to cut off the tops just to flatten them so that frosting can be easy. Now we're going to cut a small round box to place on the cake so that the flowers don't contaminate the cake. After placing the board, we are going to spread some whipped cream on it so that it can hold the flowers into place. Let's do the magic.
For now, kama unataka kunifuata tukapige bonge la bash leo, nikuambie nikupe direction ya kula cake.